welcome to my channel. Let's make roasted salsa for tacos, burritos, tostadas. You can use this salsa on anything and everything. Apply little oil on tomatoes, green chilies and garlic. Roast them on an open flame or like this. Chilies and garlic are roasted. I'm going to remove them and continue to roast the tomatoes. Roast them on the other side. Tomatoes are roasted. I'm going to let them cool down, then peel off the skin. I'm going to squeeze out all the pulp from the skin. This has got the most flavor. Discard the stem part of the tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes in half. Blend the tomatoes, garlic, green chilies, little bit of coriander leaves, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of lemon salt or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Blend it to a consistency that you like. Now add quarter cup of chopped white onions in the salsa. Give it a mix. Okay friends, roasted salsa is ready. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's quick video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.